Quick reading for May the 25th to May the 26th, Sagittarius. Your cards are the Ten of Wands, the Temperance, and the Death card. Dito natin masasabi na hindi pa talaga tapos itong relationship dahil meron dito magkakaroon ng another parang way of saying let's try this one more time. Yes, mahirap na yung nagiging situation ninyo pero parang meron ditong hindi bibitaw. Parang sinasabi, come on, let's give this another try. Pero this time magkaroon tayo ng agreement, magkaroon tayo ng rule, magkaroon tayo ng limitations, no? Kumbaga, yung agreement na mangyayari dito, kapwa naman nyo gusto pa subukan uli. Parang ayaw natin itapon yung mga napagsamahan natin just because of these trials. Para kasi may nangyari sa buhay ninyo na naging isang malaking dagok, no? At yung isa gustong bumitaw pero parang sabi, wag, subukan natin uli. So, reconciliation is here and agreement is here. So, this is your reading for May the 25th to May the 26th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye